Scales with columns will require some assembly. Remove the scale from the packaging and set aside all parts. Find the bag containing 3 screws and a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove all items from this package and set near the scale platform. Place the platform right side up and pick up the column. There is a yellow tag at the base of the column that holds the connector in place and prevents it from being pulled back into the column before assembly. Connect the phone jack to the receptacle in the base. When connected, it will snap into place. At this time, remove the yellow tag. This tag must be removed before screwing the column into place. 2 screws at the rear hold the column in place, with 1 screw in the front of the column. Place the bracket on the platform, ensuring the cable retracts all the way into the column and is not pinched below the bracket and the platform. Loosely tighten all screws first, then firmly tighten the 2 rear screws fully. Complete assembly by fully tightening the last screw. Remove the protective indicator film and follow the instructions on the remaining label before removing it. Only performing this process after the scale is fully assembled. To activate the scale, you must press and hold 0. You will hear several beeps and the scale display will read hello when the process is completed. Then release the 0 button. To learn more, you can also scan the code on the label to download the technical manual and view more instructional videos like the one you just watched today.